How to enable Telegram background download. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can enable Telegram background download. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Telegram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, you land in your chat page. Now navigate to top left hand side of this interface and tap on the hamburger icon. Now from this menu bar, tap on the settings option. Once you get into the settings page, scroll down a bit and under settings, tap on data and storage. Again, on the data and storage, scroll down a bit, there you'll find a section that says automatic media download. So there are three toggles. First one, when using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi and when roaming. So you have to make sure all these three toggles are turned on. Simply turn on all these toggles to auto download in the background. Scroll down a bit and then navigate to the section that says Save to Gallery. If you'd like to download the private chat, make sure to turn on the toggle, or if you'd like to go for the groups or channel, you can simply turn that on as well, or simply turn off according to your preferences. So to enable Telegram background download, you have to enable all these three toggles under automatic media download, and that's how you do it. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.